'Twas the night before Christmas. The orders flew in, from postcards of Philadelphia to scenes of Sacramento. In the eBay store, SMPostcards, so bright, Sal the ringneck parrot chirped. Mail them tonight. Mark checked the listings, each one with care, from vintage postcards to views that were rare. He filmed for YouTube, sharing the lore of treasures and finds from his bustling store. With returns handled swiftly, no need for dismay. Every buyer was happy. Reviews led the way. eBay standard envelope, Sal squawked with delight. Ensures safe delivery snug through the night. Each card had a story, each sale a new cheer. Mark's YouTube fans watched from far and near. Tips on postcards, he'd say with a grin, sharing knowledge and tales from where he'd begin. The SMPostcards Ko-Fi shop joined the fun, with supplies for collectors, a gift for each one. From sleeves to envelopes, the tools you might need, a haven for fans to help their hobby succeed. From sunsets in Bali to a snowy retreat, every postcard told stories, unique and sweet. With care they were listed, each one a gem. The store stood aglow like a holiday emblem. Sal flapped his wings, his feathers so bright. Don't forget mailing, we'll get it done right. Mark smiled at his mascot, his trusty old friend, as they worked through the orders, all hands till the end. So here's to the hustle, the joy and the cheer, from Sal and the postcards that bring memories near. With a wink to the camera, Mark called through the night. Happy sales to you all, and to all a good night. As the clock struck 12, a message rang true. Thank you for the support from me and Sal too. Your kindness and trust make our work such delight. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.